Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the watch is powered and the phone has the Fitpro app installed. This saves time and prevents interruptions. Once done, sign into Fitpro and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so scanning works. Next, put the watch into pairing mode from its settings. Some models show a code or flashing icon. You need that visible during the next step. This initial setup eliminates common blocks and gets you ready to create the actual connection without guessing. You now open Fitpro and tap Add Device or the plus icon. Selecting the correct model matters because firmware and features differ. Then scan and wait for the watch to appear, match any on-screen pairing code, and accept the connection on both watch and phone. Make sure you also allow call, SMS, and notification access when prompted, since the watch relies on those to mirror alerts. Once paired, the app begins an initial sync of time, contacts, and basic settings. That sync can take a few minutes. You finish by verifying that steps, heart rate, and time are updating in Fitpro. This confirms a good connection. Next, install any firmware updates the app recommends and personalize watch faces, alarms, and fitness goals so the device fits your routine. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both phone and watch, then re-attempt pairing. This clears minor radio or cache issues. If problems persist, unpair and repeat the add device flow to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.